Hey everybody, what's up? It's Kiki and welcome back for another cooking video. Today I'm coming to show you guys how to make an easy potato salad. Listen, if you can make devil eggs, you can make potato salad. That's how I learned. So I'm going to start off with some russet potatoes and I'm just going to wash them and peel them with a potato peeler. I got this one from the dollar store. Get you a good one. It'll peel easier, faster, and get all those little grooves out of there. I had to go back in with a knife just to make sure I got all the little brown spots out. But yeah, just use a potato peeler, and as you can see over there in that bowl, that colander, I also had sweet potatoes because I was making sweet potatoes that day as well. And I actually cut my finger cutting the sweet potatoes, so you'll see I have on a glove in the rest of this video. So, two things. I need better knives and I need a bigger cutting board. And since this, I have gotten better knives and a bigger cutting board. But we're going to go with what I had at the time. So I'm just going to go ahead and dice the potatoes up. You want to make them, I don't know, like an inch, I guess. Depending on how you like your potato salad. You don't want to make them too small because when you start mixing them, they're going to mash up and you're going to end up with mashed potato salad. So you do want to have like a little bit of girth to them. So probably like an inch wide squares. And then you want to add water to your pot. You want enough water to cover the potatoes. You want to add a little salt, or you can use chicken stock. I'm going to use a chicken bouillon cube just to flavor my water. And I'm going to add my potatoes in there. And today I'm doing something I never do. I'm adding my eggs in while I boil my potatoes. I don't recommend it. You end up overcooking your eggs, and that's exactly what happened. So yeah, like I normally do, I would boil my eggs separately. But today I was taking the lazy route and I added my eggs. So after about 15-20 minutes, I checked my potatoes and they are considered fork tender. So I did allow the eggs and the potatoes to sit in the fridge for about 45 minutes while I prepare other food, just so that they can cool off. And I'm going to season to taste. I don't really measure when I season. So this is everything I'll be using to season my potato salad. And like I said, I shouldn't have put my eggs in with my potatoes, so they are a little overcooked. And that's why they're peeling like this. They would peel much easier if they were cooked perfect. So I'm going to mash up the egg yolk and I'm just going to season the egg yolk first. So I'm going to add the mayo, the seasonings, the relish, all that just to the egg yolk, and then continue seasoning as I taste it. And I know a lot of people add onions and celery, and some people add bell peppers. I don't add all that because I don't like all that crunchiness inside of my potato salad, but you are more than welcome to add it to yours and make it, you know, as flavorful as you would like it. I'm making a small thing because me and Steven are the only ones in our house that eat potato salad. Our kids don't eat potato salad, so I didn't make a big old thing, but I did want to share my little quick recipe with you guys. And then I'm going to chop up the egg whites and add that, and then I'm going to mix that all together and taste it and see if it needs more seasoning. I also added a little bit of sugar to my potato salad, and then I start adding in the sweet relish, and I also add in dill relish. And now that I've let my potatoes sit in the fridge and chill, I start adding those to the mixture, and I do it a little bit at a time so that I can make sure I get all the potatoes coated. And I just keep mixing in a little bit at a time, and then I taste it once again, and then I start adding a little bit more season so that the potatoes are just as seasoned as the rest of the mixture. I give it a good mix. I could leave it in this bowl, of course, but I put it in a pan, spread it out. I add some sliced hard-boiled eggs on top, as well as some paprika. Put it in the fridge, let it chill, and for about 45 minutes to an hour while I finish preparing the rest of my dinner, and then take it out, and it is good. Like I said, this is a quick potato salad. If you can make devil eggs, you can make a potato salad. So I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. Let me know what else you guys want to see from me. I love you guys, and I'll talk to y'all later. Bye.